Okay, I wanted to show you some of the rocks that I found in the area. These are either river rocks or field stone. We have them both. Uh, and here, I want to show you this. This, I believe, might be a lung, possibly. It's real porous, and you can see right here is where probably a vein was, and there's an attachment where the vein attached to the organ itself. And that's on both sides, and you can see it attached right here, and you can see the red blood. Also at the top, you can see around the outside is where it attached to a main artery of some sort. I'm thinking it's artery. And you can see this little flowery thing is actually a valve that allows the blood to flow in one direction but not the other. But you'll see this on a lot of rocks. And it's just amazing. They try to say tumble down mountains and make them. They don't know what that is. But you can see right there what it does is it sort of is like this and lets the air flow or blood flow, opens up, closes, doesn't allow it to go in the other direction. It also has a weird shape to it, like it was mushed down, so it had some substance inside, and it looks like it just collapsed because it's in here. Also, you'll see where your fascia marks are all over here. That's what held your organ from attaching to anything else. Right here, I believe, some kind of vein also. It attached. It has the outside where it attached to this. And it's kind of weird the way that broke off, because I see that in a lot of different rocks also. That particular cut, that's that shape right there. Right there, I believe to be an organ, possibly a lung. I don't know, not sure. But you can see the fascia skin here. You see, like it held that organ right in place. And here's another organ you might recognize. I believe it's a heart. It's shaped like this. Looks like a heart on this side. You'll see how it kind of comes up and around like this. Down the center, you'll see sometimes in this one area cracks, little cracks right here. You'll see them on the bigger hearts and everything also. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it around and look at this, just like if it was the backside of a heart. Look at all this fat right here. Fat attached to everything right there. And right here is where your artery connected. Looks like it fell over, the skin had flapped over, but right there you can see it attached right in here. This whole part here. So right there was your main artery, and then there's this fat on the back of your heart. It's a pretty big heart too. I don't know what it could have went to a large human or maybe another animal. This is called grip skin, and this is at the end of the fingertips or toe tips. I think it might possibly just be the fingertips. But if you take a microscope and you look at your own fingers, this is what it looks like. See how they're going in all different directions? That causes it to grip, really hold on to things. You can tell, like this heart, you can rub your hand over. Even this lung is, it's a little bit, it's not near as this thing just grips. I mean, it really holds. You can't slide it or rub your hands across it real smoothly, in other words. And I believe that was just the end of your finger, just like the end of my finger right there. Right there could have been a nail, or a nail went in. There's also the tip, or could have had a blowout from your artery right there. Let's see the two red spots here and here. Blood could have came out of there. That's a piece of grip skin. See a lot of that. And then this one, I believe, is a toe. The tip of a toe. And right here's an artery. It's just a little bitty tip. But here's your main artery. See how black it is? It's different from the rest of the rock. This rock has just this one spot, and it should go inside, out. A lot of these you'll see, and they'll have a little smoothness, but there'll be a dent here and a dent here. Don't know, quite sure how that worked. Tip of the toe just looks like it caved in. If anything, that probably been the vein side. You had artery side, and this is the vein side. And then right back here, you can see where it attached something, probably a ligament to hold, you know, another part of the bone. Things attached to this, and tendons grow off of that. Okay, so there's what I think might possibly be the tip of a toe, giant's toe. Okay, and this was an unusual piece I found. I actually found bigger ones that look just like it, so must be some kind of part. Right up here, it's almost like some kind of, well, you know, what would that be? You know, part of your ligaments, part of something that really held everything together. It's real tight. It's blue with a lot of that fascia going through each part of that. See how the lines are all our fascia. And look at this back side of it. It looks like it would connect to something. And here, or in here. Here, connect. But anyway, it looks like something connected, like it held something. I don't know what this is. But it's an interesting rock. Okay, thank you.